What's up everyone, welcome to a new episode on the channel, and we are playing Creature Lab. Today we are taking a look at the demo here, and this game was actually part of Steam Next Fest, and basically we become a mad scientist conducting crazy experiments and doing a whole bunch of random things with different creatures. Now it seemed pretty interesting, I will say that, it did seem pretty interesting. This was actually not one that I had on my wish list, one that I actually found while looking at the different demos that were available on Steam. So let's go ahead and check it out and let's see what it's all about. Welcome to the Creature Lab. This tutorial will help you create incredible elixirs and magnificent monsters. Press the left mouse button to continue. This is the storage room. Any ingredients or bodies you acquire will be placed over here. This is the main laboratory. Use the alembic to mix the mixtures together and make something new. Analyze the properties by using the microscope. Grow the new body parts by using an incubator. You gotta walk downstairs, perform more radical experiments. Operating room has equipment to make new creatures, enhance their abilities, and even change their limbs. So we're basically going to be creating some new different types of creatures in the world in this game today. And once you're satisfied with the creation, place any mutant in the stasis chambers. This allows you to use them on various missions. Interesting. Office is mostly a front to nosy government spies, but one desk is special. Hidden monitor where you can plan your mission, send your monsters, or to gather essential ingredients. Interesting. Okay, so start the experiment and go to the storage room to get the ingredient you need. Storage room. Storage room is up here. And we need this bad boy right here. A huge. Pour this ingredient into alembic. Right over here. Find another ingredient to make the elixir. Okay. Very interesting that we just kind of poured it at the very bottom instead of, pouring it up top where the actual opening was. We put this down or something. There we go. Take this, whatever that is, and pour it into the empty vessel. Empty flask under it, and then turn on to mix the ingredients. Put that down. Empty flask right here. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Find a syringe and take a sample of the mixture. Oh, that was okay, so that was the flask. Okay. Place the sample under the microscope and begin examining it. Microscope right over here. How do I use it? Oh, I gotta put down the syringe, don't I? There we go. So use scroll bars to analyze the sample. The bar on the left will help you see your progress. Okay, so that's pretty, I want to say that's pretty, what's it called? That's a pretty good specimen right there. I say it's a pretty good picture. Is there another? Can we make the zoom a little bit out? Sharpness. That's pretty good. So void, cinnamon, and a strander. Okay. So it says analyzing. There we go. Successful. Alright. Low complexity, high reactivity. Examine substance elixir. We can change the name. We'll just call it test 1. Because I don't really know what to call it. You've just created an elixir. Elixirs are created by combining several ingredients and are used to create mutagens. Take your elixir and create the mutagen by mixing it with the elixir from the storage room. Okay, so let's take this and then into the storage room. Okay, so we'll put that down. Is this what they were talking about? I'm pretty sure. So I got to take this over here. Oh, I see. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab our other mixture here. Our test number 1. And we'll combine this one. Put the flask down. We'll turn it on. And we will mix the two and see what it comes up with. Place the sample under the microscope. Oh, nope, we want the syringe. Syringe. That's not where I put it, but okay. Take the syringe, put that under the microscope. I want to put that syringe down, and let's take a look. There we go. I know they probably want it zoomed in a little bit. There we go. Successful. Alright, so we have high complexity, high reactivity, mutagen, void cinnamon, istриander, Gaxili, and I don't even know how to pronounce those. I'm not even going to try. So those are successful. So we'll actually name this mutagen number 1. And name that successful. We'll exit. Take your mutagen and pour it into the body chamber to start creating your first mutant. Body chamber. Is that through here? Right here? Is this where they want it? Yeah, body chamber. This is it. Take the test subject out of the mortuary box. Let's put you down real quick. Test subject. This right here. Oh, it's an actual person. Put the test subject in the body. Okay, this is getting very interesting. Yeah, okay. So this is very interesting. Use the panel on the body chamber to start the simulation process. Close it. And create the mutant. So how do I do that? To the computer. Open the cover with terminal. Okay, so there's that. And then we can open the panel of body chamber. Aha! So we want to fill with mutagen and initialize. Mutation complete. Open the chamber now, and don't forget to sedate the beast. Okay. Successful. How do we get back? Sedate creature. Sedate, and then back. And we open the terminal, take the mutant, and put it on the grapple. What's a grapple? This thing. Find the panel that controls the grapple and extract mutant's DNA. Take DNA sample. Back. Use a laptop, connect to the incubator, and start incubating the new limb. Where is the incubator? I think it's up here, actually. Yep, there it is. select the limb to be incubated. Use the buttons on the top. Select blah 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 blah. Number of positions or number of potions on the left side shows how many doses of mutagen you need to incubate the selected limb. So are we supposed to do... Okay, so we need water. Oh, here we go. Okay. Replace water with mutagen. Okay, so that's what I was confused about, because I'm sitting there going down trying to make more DNA samples, and I don't need it. So I just need to do that, and then now we start the process by making the default limb. Create a second limb in the incubator. So we'll take that. I'm going to put it over here for now, and they want us to create a second one. So we'll go ahead and fill that. Put her down. And we'll do the right limb this time. Boom. Place the mutant on the operating table to begin the transplant process. Okay. On the operating table right here. Use a laptop and replace the mutant's limbs with those from the incubator. So I got to put that one back in the incubator. Okay, maybe I have to come back and do it. Use appropriate buttons to attach the selected limb. Okay. So we'll remove these two and we'll start. Oh. Ooh, okay. So it just, cuts it off completely. Put her down. We'll take the other arm. Put it down right there. And then we shall replace. Alright, so we have to actually put the arms on the operating table. I'm taking a wild guess to attach them. There we go. Now we can attach. I thought all this happens from the incubator. Place the mutant in the stasis chamber. So we got those, and stasis chamber is over here. Is this what it is? No. It is, but how do I put her in here? There we go. We'll close the panel. Before you make a second mutant, it's time to learn how potion brewing works. Go to the laboratory and analyze the ingredient. Alright, so let's go up to the lab. And then I believe this is what it is. I don't even want to pronounce that. Where do I take it to? Is there a syringe? Do I just, do this? Microscope, right? No? Is that what I need to do? Is microscope? No. So what do I do with this? Okay, so it says to analyze an ingredient in the lab, and this is the only thing that basically outlines itself, and I don't know what to do with it, because I don't take the syringe, put it in the microscope, I don't put it in here, and I don't know what I'm actually supposed to do with it. Because I don't take it anywhere here, and I don't take it down to where I was just at. I do have... Okay, so this is it. I do have to put it under the microscope. Alright, so we got it down. Each substance has different molecules which determine its properties. It's an ingredient, so it only has a single molecule. You don't know which one. It could be any of the ones listed in the properties window. So cave basil. So we'll exit out of that. Analyze the next ingredient now. Rollick. Alright, we'll take the syringe. Put you there. Put you in there. Put down that syringe. And let's turn her on and see what we got. Okay, so that was very easy. There's also an ingredient. Notice that it symbolizes a possible molecule. Looks like the opposite of the symbol you saw in the last ingredient. At the moment, it's unclear if the symbol is really present in the ingredient. To find out, mix the two ingredients in the alembic. Okay. So now mix previously researched substances. Okay, so we get to mix these now and see what happens. Let's turn you on. It's a sludge, don't worry. This is good news. It means that the two ingredients are each other's opposites. By this deduction, you can safely assume that they contain so and so, respectively. If the ingredients had two different molecules, they would mix and produce an elixir, not a sludge. Sludge only forms if you try to mix opposite molecules. Makes sense. You can find more ingredients in the storage room. Until you produce a mutagen, mutagens require at least 4 molecules, and one of the 4 molecules must be an activator. Can you figure out which symbol is the activator? Experiment until you create a mutagen. If you need a hint, check the whiteboard in the office. Okay, so basically, I think what they want us to do is put stuff into here and see what happens. Sure, we'll take some of this. We'll put it in here, and I'm just kind of, guessing right here, so I don't know what's to happen. Is that a mutagen? I might have to put her in the old syringe here. I think we just made one. So we made an elixir. Close enough. We'll take this. I don't know what it is, but it's called Just So Bud. Let's put that empty vessel over here, and let's actually mix what we just made and put that into here and see what happens. Where's my syringe? There it is. Put syringe down. Let's see what we got this time around. So we made another elixir. Okay. Well, dang. Alright, let's try Radomric and Pestrulic. Well, we made something red. Grab the syringe. Withdraw from that. Put her in the microscope. Put her down. And let's see what we got. Kind of see it there a little bit. There we go. There we go. Move the saturation up a little bit. Another elixir. So let's take you. Okay, because I don't know exactly like what I'm looking for here. But we shall see. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Put you back in there. Turn you on and see what happens. Excellent. Now use what you've learned to create a second mutant. If you want, you can replace the mutant's limbs with new ones from the incubator. Okay, so we got to create a whole new mutant, which we're not going to worry about limbs. So I'm going to have to grab a body. Grab you. Oh, there's a bathroom in here. We'll put you here for now. There should be a body over here somewhere, if I remember. I think it's over here. Alright, we'll take the corpse. Put him down here. Put it on the body chamber. We'll go ahead and grab our unknown 6. Pour it into here. Let's go ahead and do that. We'll shut this. Then we'll open the panel. Body in the chamber. Mutagen missing. Isn't that what I grabbed though? So my question is, why does it say it's missing if the mutagen's in here? That doesn't make any sense. Alright, here we go. Fill with mutagen. Initialize. And then we want to sedate the creature. Back. We'll put him in the stasis chamber. Oh, nope. I want to open it. Which I think that's what this is, right? No, that's the grapple. Stasis chamber is through here. I passed it up on accident because I forgot that it was like looking like this. So we'll put him there. Close the panel. Open the secret desk to reveal a hidden game map and use it to plan your first invasion. Ooh, secret laptop, huh? That's fancy. Turn on the computer. Alright, to start a mission, select district, press mission button, choose mission type from drop down, blah 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 blah. We'll do Sleepy Hill. Population. Mission. We'll spread panic. Let's start the mission. So resources are those armies like tactical anti-terrorist, tanks, machinized infantry, and police. We'll go ahead and start a mission. We'll create some panic. Oh. Well. not gonna lie, that was very, very interesting. I do like the whole plot of the game, which is like you're basically, like I said, a scientist, and you're trying to create basically new forms of life. So very, very interesting. If you guys are have like a scientific brain, or you're into this type of stuff, this game might be just what you're looking for. I will have a link in the description for the Steam page if you guys do want to add it to your wish list, check it out, all of that fun stuff. And I will catch you guys here on the next one. Peace.